Sabadi sabadi. Just got back from the gym and today I'm making American fries. So basically I'm gonna show you whatever I'm cooking to eat, okay? Sometime I might not be able to post it because I'm just too busy. But when I can, I will show you what I cook every day. Alright, today is American fries. It's so easy and so yummy, and you can eat like potato skin. Trust me, okay? It's so easy. So let's go, let's go. Woohoo! Using baked potato, okay? Boil potato first. Let it cool and then cut up in slices like that. American fries. Show you how to make American fries today, or American nachos. Okay, sabay di. See, like, let it brown for a little bit and fry until it's golden brown. Normally like 5-10 minutes. Yeah, this is perfect. That's a perfect. That's how you want it to be, like that. Okay, like that. Almost done. Okay, it's done. Now is how to make nachos. American fried nacho. That's gonna be the name of my new creation. Like that. Line them up. And you put cheese. Yes, I got this from Mexican store too. Okay. Everything gonna Mexicano. Don't go Mexican store and buy American cheese. Hello. Just joking. Okay, you put cheese over like that. Okay. If you like a lot of cheese, then put a lot. Nobody's gonna say anything about your extra cheese. Okay, it's not your cheese. Haha. It's not your cheese. That's perfect. Now you can put this in the microwave for maybe a minute or so. Like a minute. Look at that. Oh, sap, sap, sap. Okay. Now you need sour cream. Our sour cream ใส่หลายๆแห้งแซ่บ The more you put in there, it's better. If you love sour cream, which I do. Make sure you mix them well before you use, because then it just be nice and smooth, not so clumpy. Okay? That you put it over like that. I use green onions too, but oh well, forgot to get green onions, so we're just gonna have to just do the tomato. Green onions would be better with that too, but I don't have any, so that's okay. I need a sap cooker. This is still good. Woohoo! Look at that. Put some Serrano. This is Serrano, okay? This is the father of jalapeno. It's gonna burn you like hurricane, or wait, like volcano. Oh Lord. This is just for garnishing. Garnish. Make it look pretty. That's all. So Okay, here's my nachos, American nachos. Ooh, let's taste. See? Ooh. See that? Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm. So good. Better try it. Look at that. Mmm, mmm, mmm. So easy. Okay? Just like to share what I eat and what I make. It's simple, easy for rookies, okay? See? That's so good, okay? Enjoy! Next. You can eat like this too. You can add sour cream on here, cheese. If you don't want nachos like that, okay? You can just eat separately. Like dip on barbecue sauce. There, see? Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. And then ketchup. And no double dipping. Unless you eat with your husband or your wife. Dun 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 dun. Eat like that too. Sour cream.
Sabay, sabay